Annyeong, it's Mikey here. I'm coming back to you guys again with another Wooting video. I've been on a journey to try to make the Wooting really great. As you see here, this is the Wooting with the Lumez case. I've changed the keycaps, I've lubed the switches, I've tried so many different things. But to be fair, the Wooting switches, the Lecker switches, don't sound very great. Luckily, we've come up with something like this. So Gateron has come up with the Jade Switches. So what we're gonna do today is change it up and see how it sounds different. So I hope you guys enjoy, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. What do you guys think of the new sound? So I'll see you guys later. So we're gonna do a quick sound test comparing these stock switches, lubed stock switches, stock Gateron switches, the Jade, and so we're gonna do a quick sound test comparing the stock, lubed Lecker switches, So we're gonna be doing a quick sound test comparing, these are stock not lubed, stock lubed Lecker switches, the Jade not lubed, and the Jade lubed. So that was a side-by-side testing of the sound. I only did the same row because I feel like one thing I find the Wooting is a bit lacking on is each row sounds different. And I think you guys will hear that when I do like the deep sound testing for the new Jade Switches. But yeah, it just, I find it unfortunate that the lacquer switches, they're very good switches and it works well. The only issue is that the sound has different layers to it, and I don't find it as a more smooth sound. And honestly, the Jade Switches, I personally don't like as much either because they're a bit more high-pitched, clacky. And I'm not a big fan of more clacky sounds. I feel that it makes my ears a little sensitive when I hear it. But I feel like it's still a bit more cleaner sounding in terms of more linear, more smooth, more even throughout compared to the lacquer switches. So I don't know, what's your guys' opinion? Leave it in the comments, which one do you guys think sounds better? But this is actually going to be my final modding of the Wooting 60HE. I've really tried my best to do as much as I could, and you know what, the 80HE is going to come out and I'm excited for that. Hoping more manufacturers will actually create more Hall effect switches. So I'm gonna be pre-ordering it right away. So I hope you guys will like, subscribe, come back. Let's try to do what we can to mod the 80HE together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's go into the full sound test.